So the first thing you need to do with the BBC microbit is to load it with the software that will actually make it work for the project. And we need to download something called a hex file, and the hex file is a type of file that contains the code which will enable the BBC microbit to use accelerometers and then be able to measure the data and then transfer it on to Bitty data logger. So make a folder on your desktop called microbit, or something that you can at least recognize where you're going to put the hex file. Go to a website called bittysoftware.com. This is a great useful website with lots of information if you need to have a look about the microbit and how Bitty data logger works, just in case you want to expand a bit on what we are showing you. Go to downloads, scroll down, and you want to click on or use the link which says microbit hex file, no parent required. I've got Chrome, so I'm going to go right click and I'm going to save link as this, and I'm going to put it into a folder called microbit, and I'm going to save it, minimize that, go to the microbit folder, and there is the hex file there. So I'm going to just minimize that into here, and I'm now going to get my microbit, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug a USB data cable. So make sure the cable you've got isn't just simply a cable that will just charge. It needs to transfer a signal as well, a data signal. So plug it into the micro USB into the connector on the microbit, and you heard it recognize that, so we know it's recognized, and it brings up the microbit essentially as a portable drive. So we have that here. So now what we want to do is to take the hex file that you have from your that you downloaded and put it onto the microbit. That will then copy and transfer across, and now you have it downloaded. So you now have it downloaded on your microbit. So that's you with this ready to use now. Because we're using the accelerometer data, we're ready to use it on our plane.